Hi, Deb here. I made this. I'm an artist. I haven't been making a lot of art in the last several months. Haven't really felt like it. I feel like other people's messages and voices were more important than mine. So please enjoy some of me making artwork, making some mugs, like so, like so, like so. Stick around till the end. And I have an ask and possibly a way that you might be able to have one of these sent to you as my appreciation. So if you made it this far, thanks. Thanks for watching. I hope it was relaxing, enjoyable. I have the ask. The ask is please go to the link in my bio and consider contributing to the GoFundMe. I've had a lot of bosses. I can't say any one of them would ever try to help me in the way that these artists are trying to help their employees. And I want to support them in any way that I can. This family I chose from Operation Olive Branch. I feel woefully inadequate to help, but I'm hoping that I can help somebody. They're artists. That matters to me. They want to help their employees. That matters to me. I want to celebrate anybody that helps them, which brings me to the celebrating part. I am happy to share a piece of artwork with a randomly chosen person that helps them out. So if you are within reasonable mailing like US, Canada, and help them out and can document it that you helped them out, please let me know in my messages. Please do not put any information in the or any messages in the GoFundMe. Message me directly that you helped them out. I would choose somebody at random to share a piece of pottery with. So let's help somebody. Thank you.